Okay, this is a quick video, and this is a GoPro 10 Black. A quick video on how to put the battery in. So if you're looking at the front, that's that. And you got this thing right here. It's like a tab, and you just pull down. It's kind of like spring loaded, and you open this up like this. Look down inside there. And then you take the battery and stick it in this way, like this. And to pull it out, you just grab this tab right here, pull it back out. Stick it in like that. Pull the tab just a little bit, and then push it together, and it's in like that. And you'll see it's working.